I gave you my heart.
It's a new age, and Yamaha's connecting you with your motorcycle like never before. This is Yamaha's Y Connect, the app that links your smartphone directly to your Yamaha motorcycle. Just download the app on your phone. Open the Y Connect app. Register your account using your email or social media. After logging in, you will be asked to connect your smartphone via Bluetooth with the Communication Control Unit or CCU in the following ways. You can choose to scan the QR code on your motorcycle, or you can scan the barcode on your vehicle frame number and then start the pairing process. Another option is to input the frame number of your motorcycle. Make sure there are no other Bluetooth connections on your phone in order to pair successfully. When you start your motorcycle, the CCU will search for your smartphone ID and will start pairing. Pairing is successful once the Y Connect indicator and smartphone battery is seen on the motorcycle display. The words "connected" will appear on the homepage of the Y Connect application. Now you have access to all the features the Y Connect has to offer. Be one with your motorcycle. Link up with Y Connect and discover your ride today.